It's SmartTouch, the shiny electronic whiteboard. Edgy fair Korea 2020 flying. We met our dream, beauty, health, technology, and